Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please share this video out. This is breaking news. It just happened just a few minutes ago. If anybody here thinks this is clickbait, which I've been accused of all day long and I'm about sick of it, if anybody thinks this is clickbait, go ahead and click off this channel right now. Donald Trump just said a few minutes ago that it is $300 billion just sitting in an account that was not used and was not needed. He wants to send this money out as stimulus checks right now. But the Senate and the House needs to sign off on it before he can do that. But it would only go to American people. It would not go to any illegal aliens. And people in prisons would not get it. Come on, House. Come on, Senate. Sign off on it. The American people needs it. It's not about y'all anymore. It's about the American people. You will be voted out of office if you don't sign on this. People can get a stimulus check right now without any other strings attached to it. Sign it. Y'all, I'm sorry about my demeanor today. I have had a very bad day. Everybody is accusing me of clickbait. I'm not using clickbait. And those people that accuses me of that, I wish they'd just get the hell off of this channel. I love you all. Ciao.